What do you say? What do you say to the baby? Shh. Shh, baby. Here, give her the apple. Give her the apple. Good girl. Give her this juice cup. Oh, you love your baby? Oh, what a good mommy. Give her a kiss. Oh.
I'm sleepy, Mommy.
Oh, nice. All right, don't poke her. Don't poke her. Oh. No sleepy? Gabby, how old are you?
Mommy.
How old are you?
Mommy. Give Mommy. Mama.
How old are you?
Hug me, Mama.
Gabby, how old are you?
2.
2, right. Who's your teacher? Stacy, right.
Oh, Stacy.
Stacy? All right, take care of your baby. Take care of your baby.
Hug me, Mama. Baby.
Baby, look, she needs a hug. Give her a hug. I can't film you if you're this close. We're filming you.
No.
Yes. Go give your baby a hug. Go give baby a hug. AJ, stop. Come on, you gotta take care of your baby. She's got a lot going. Oh, AJ, you're gonna take care of the baby now?
Hi, Mommy.
Oh, AJ's eating an apple. What do you got to say, AJ? Okay, give it back to the baby. Oh, AJ's drinking the juice cup. AJ, that's not a real juice cup. Wow. Be nice to the baby. Nice. Nice. Oh, no. Oh, she's hungry. Do something.
No.
What about when she giggles?
Hug me, Mama.
Okay. Say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye.
Bye.